Office of Accounting, popular makeup artist at home, a singer, dancer, and multi-talented person. A 26 years old stunner. Ladies and gentlemen, our chairman of the board, Miss Och Jimenez Santos.
What a lovely set of board of judges tonight, ladies and gentlemen, and of course, the mastery of peace, 30%, characterization, interpretation, gestures, and execution, which includes how the contestants perform. Aura and audience impact, 10% for a total of 100%. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, dili na natudugay-dugayon pa because I know and we know we had part. Yes. Na excited na jud kaayo. Yes, maski ako.